friends, welcome back. Today I'm showing you how to make the world's most sinfully delicious fudgiest brownies. Am I exaggerating? No, because these brownies are so sinfully delicious and they're so easy to make. Let's get started. Alright you guys, so I have my mixing bowl ready to start mixing. I'm going to pour in 1 cup of melted butter. Make sure the melted butter has cooled to room temperature, okay guys? Next, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1¼ cup of white granulated sugar, 1 cup of packed brown sugar. The combination of both sugars will make the brownies very fudgy. Go ahead and mix everything together. We want the sugars and oils to get very well combined before we add the rest of the ingredients. Next, I'm adding 4 large eggs. Make sure your eggs are at room temperature. I'm also adding 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Then I'm going to mix everything together until very well combined. Next, we're going to sift in the dry ingredients. So I placed a strainer over my mixing bowl. In goes 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, and 3/4 teaspoon salt. Next, I'm sifting the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. Once sifted, go ahead and mix everything together. This is the part where you don't want to overmix, okay guys? If you overmix, your brownies will not come out fudgy. As soon as the dry ingredients combine with the wet ingredients, stop mixing. Next, we're going to add some chocolate chunks. I have 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate here. I'm only adding 3/4 cup. We'll use the rest later for topping. I'm folding in the chocolate, then we're going to place the batter into a baking pan. I'm using an 8 by 12 inch baking pan. I lined it with aluminum foil and I sprayed it with nonstick spray. I've placed my batter into the pan. I'm using my spatula to level out the top. Then I'm going to sprinkle the remaining chocolate chunks all over the surface. My oven is ready and preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to bake the brownies for 25 to 30 minutes. And here it is when it's done. It's going to be a little jiggly when you move the pan. It doesn't mean it's not fully baked. All you have to do is let it sit and completely cool. That way everything can firm up. I like mine extra fudgy, so I only baked it for 25 minutes. You can bake yours for 30 minutes, but don't go over 30. If you overbake it, it's going to be tough instead of fudgy. You guys, look at all that chocolatey goodness that's sticking to the knife. It's so gooey and irresistible. I just can't stand it. These brownies are so good, you guys. They're so decadent and sinfully delicious. You guys seriously have to make this.